Ooh, recording in progress. That was weird. Hey everyone. I have more stuff for everyone. No, I was supposed to share screens there. Share screen. Let's go with this one. Here we go. Okay. Slideshow start. So I realized in our lecture about Greek signs and sounds, we never had any practice. So I wanted to couple this together with the first lecture and just give you all a few practice things. And so the goal is there will be a word. You will be pausing the video, trying out some of the things we talked about and seeing if you can pronounce the word correctly. And then I'll give you the correct pronunciation. So let's begin with the first word. This is the first word. If you would, please pause the video. All right, if you've had time to pause it, now I'm going to say how you pronounce this word. Emoi. Emoi. And that's how you'd pronounce of me. So now you have this word. Please pause the video. Now that you've had a second, it is hati. Hati. You see that rough bruising mark on the omicron. So it's hati. It's not auntie. Next we have this one. Please pause. Okay, now that you pause, I'm going to give you it. Protoktakos. Protoktakon. You see that middle omicron is the one that has the accent to it. So it's protoktakon. Sorry, I'm being repetitive. Now, let's see if you pronounce this one correct. Agapeton. Agapeton. And this word means essentially beloved. And so here we have a really long one. Please pause the video and take your time going through each word. All right, now that you've had your time with that, this is a really short. It won't take more than a few minutes to finish this lecture. This is the last one. Here's the correct pronunciation. Palumeros kai palutrapos, palai ha theas, lalesas, tois patrasin, and tois prophetais, et escatu, ton hemeron to ton, elalesen, hemin en wion. Okay, what does that mean? I'll give you a second to guess what this is. Okay, now you've had a second. That's not fair for me to give you that so early in the class, but this is what you've read. Long ago, many times and in many ways, God spoke to our fathers by the prophets. But in these last days, he has spoken to us by his Son. That's the beginning to the opening of Hebrews. And I hope you kind of see that the way the language flows is really pretty. And you see a lot of almost rhyme involved. Well, I hope that helps. We will be practicing that a lot this semester. Well, I guess it's not a semester, but this class. And I really hope that this benefits you, seeing kind of how to tie in the lecture with how they're actually pronounced. Anyways, God bless. How do I stop recording? There we go. All right. Bye-bye.